It's Boxing Day 2009 and we've just had the Lone Drainer and Pronto visit our home. We've just been to the Sydney to Hobart yacht race and came home with 12 people for lunch, and we had a horrible sewerage blockage. So we rang Dave Conroy, and Lone Drainer and Pronto were out here in 10 minutes on Boxing Day and fixed the problem like that, and it was perfect. Thank you, Dave.
We got a whiff of a problem when we were here yesterday and knew that this was on the cards for today, but despite that we came back again today, and sure enough, yes, there was a problem, but thanks to Dave Conroy, everybody's still here, we've eaten, it's been wonderful. Thanks, Dave.
I'm busting, where's Dave?
Thanks, Dave.